Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance
Fucking ass out.
Bring
Yup.
him. Bring
Yup.
him.
You
Bring him.
fucking wait.
Bring
On the platform
Bring
tomorrow.
him. Bring him.
Yup.
Bring
You
him.
fucking clown ass pussy. You fucking hit me.
Yeah,
and you got nudged the fuck back. Yeah.
Stinky ass breath,
Yeah.
ugly bitch.
Yup.
You fucking
Yeah.
ugly bitch.
Your fucking mother.
You
The
stinky-
pussy that you crawled out of,
You
motherfucker.
Stinky ass breath,
Yup.
bitch.
Yup.
Fucking fake ass
Yup.
hair.
This is real,
I should
bitch.
pull your fucking weave off.
This
you
ain't
ugly
no,
ass bitch.
you know so fucking much. This is real here, bitch.
Yeah, some real
This is
consistent-
real.
Someone
Real,
else's hair.
bitch.
That's someone else's
Yeah,
hair. That's
no,
someone
bitch.
else's hair.
It's
It's
my
someone
hair,
else's
bitch.
hair.
It's mine, you
Someone
fucking
else's.
clown.
Some horseshit,
Not
bitch.
everybody, not every
got
black
horse hair.
woman wears a wig, bitch.
You got-
These are
you're
fucking
crying. You're
clowns.
crying because you got
No,
horse hair.
I'm not
You're
crying.
You
I'm
crying.
not
You ugly ass
crying.
bitch.
I'm not crying.
Stinky
You
ass
fucking
breath,
clown. Yup.
Stinky ass
Yup.
breath, bitch.
And what the fuck
Ugly
that
ass
shit smell like, you fucking clown?
Ugly ass.
Yup.
Fucking ugly bitch.
You a pussy ass white boy.
Bitch.
You a pussy ass white boy. You
Ugly
pussy
bitch.
ass white boy.
Ugly bitch.
Pussy ass
Ugly
white
bitch.
boy.
Ugly
Pussy
bitch.
ass white
Stinky
boy.
ass breath,
Pussy
bitch.
ass white
Stinky ass
boy.
breath, bitch.
Your mother.
Stinky
Your
ass
mother.
breath, bitch.
Your mother.
Stinky ass
Your
breath.
mother.
Get the fuck off the train, you ugly bitch.
Your mother.
You ugly
I
bitch.
ain't going no
You
fucking
ugly
where.
bitch.
Your mother.
Suck my dick.
You better grow one, you white boy.
Suck my
You grow
fucking
one,
dick.
you white boy.
Suck my dick.
Grow one, you fucking
my
white
dick.
boy. You grow one.
Suck my dick.
He's a fucking clown.
Ugly ass bitch.
Step back, we're getting out.
Don't touch me.
Fuck that white boy up.
Somebody get a bigger person. Stop. Ugly ass fucking bitch. You're a man. Yo, elbow me my fucking rib.
Cause you fucking pushed me.
Ugly ass bitch.
You pushed me.
Stinky ass fucking bread.
He is.
Just be quiet. Suck my dick, bro. Suck my dick. We got kids. You be a man. Be a fucking man. Suck my dick too over there. You suck my dick too. You will all suck my dick. Come on, suck my dick. Let me suck my dick.
Feel the joy. Hey,
Keep talking. You pussy. Say it. Tell us how it is. Tell us how you say it. Hey, yo, suck your dick. Tell us how it is, bro. Suck your dick. Pussy. Now blow your pussy. 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 Your word. Talk that shit around. He's like this shit out Alright, this team so you better chill, B. You better chill, B. Chill, no man on this dick. You arguing with this woman now? You arguing with a woman too on top of that? You fucking crap. You're like a bitch. Oh, yeah?
Wait, we just get
I didn't size you up nice. I didn't size you up nice, bitch. I didn't size you up nice. I didn't size you up nice.
relax.
You're like a little bitch.
You're not bad out.
You know, so you can say that bitch. You saying the same
Get off safety, please.
Quiet now, right?
Yeah, you bitch. Suck my dick. Fucking bitch.
You pussy, shot. You pussy, shot.
I'm pussy.
You pussy. I'll break your jaw. I'll break your jaw.
Fuck you, bro.
I'll break your jaw right here, bro. I'll break your
Fuck you.
jaw.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Suck my dick. Suck my fucking dick.
a woman's strength this man have for the woman them. Woman's strength. You know what woman's strength mean? Let me explain to you what is woman's strength. Woman's strength is a Jamaican terms. See? And in another, like in English, it would mean like a man will easily find himself fight a woman physically. Confrontation. You see me? With a woman. But is scared to do the same with a man. Woman's strength that. That is what this man have. You notice how him a go on tough and him a go on the most way and a move like a bully and a try to disrespect this woman. And this woman a try to defend herself. You see? And you see him a go on, and the moment a man step up to him and say something to him and try to show him say, yo, what am I do wrong? You see it? In calm, in quiet. You see the difference? This man have woman's strength, which is not a good thing. This is something not to be practiced. You see, you're not supposed to have strength for nobody at all. Nobody not supposed to even try to fight with nobody and hit nobody or them things there. People supposed to can be able to talk over things, reason over things. Why is it that most people try to use violence to resolve issues? You see, why is it that some people have to be a bully? Why is it that this world can't just live in love and harmony? What's wrong with the people? Alright, let me give you an example of what I mean by woman's strength. Now, first of all, this was right here so happen in the United States of America. You see? But just to clarify what the woman's strength mean, we just going to compare the America train transportation system with Jamaica bus transportation system, just to make you get an understanding, right? Now, on your train transportation system, even the bus system in America, right? Them normally charge people before them get on the bus. Well, then get on the bus, but them charge them immediately before them have a seat. In Jamaica, when it comes to especially a thing we're calling coaster bus, not the JUTC, but the coaster bus, right? You have to, you know, like they make them go and sit in the bus, and then a conductor will walk around in the bus and collect fares. Now, what happens is that some man, woman, everybody come on the bus, right? And when the conductor go around in the bus and asks for fares from everyone, right? More than 2 man, or maybe 2 man, come in and want to tell a lie. Say about 2 man look on the doctor and say, yo, I don't have no fear, you know. You see me? And the conductor pass the man, the man say no. All him do is just look on them with a bad eye. You see me? Like you hear thing and say cut eye. You see? No. The moment one woman look on him and go say, me nah no fear, the man get mad, start to tell the woman about matter and when we do and when we do her and all these things and start going the most way. You get to me and say to you, remember me just tell you, him ask for fears, and 2 man tell him say nah no fear, So obviously he must afraid of them, the man there. But at the same time, the woman look at him and say the same thing what the 2 man them say, and as she him start a go on the most way upon. Even a try him a threaten her, say him will do this and do that. You see, so that is an example of woman's strength. You see me? Men, right? We just have a pick for mostly woman. You see me I say? Yeah, quick for fight with them. You see me? So that is an example. Me just have to try explain this to my viewers them where, I'm not from the islands, not from Jamaica especially, you see me? Because, you don't know, Dancehall Killer have quite a few people from outside of the Caribbean to watch. So that's the meaning of woman's strength. You see? Me make sure so I bring this to you, that's you can actually learn something from it and try to avoid people like this. You see me? People that will try to turn your good day into a bad day, make you feel bad about yourself and feel very defenseless and feel very, feel depressed and down. This what just happened right here so is not a good thing. You see me? Yeah, really and truly. I'm gonna really agree with what this man just do a while ago to a woman. You see me? And this, me not put this as no racism thing. You see me? No, we not put it as a racism thing because first thing, enough people have talk about you because she is of a different race from him and all these things. No. Generally, you have people throughout the world will stay just like how you see this person act a while ago. You see? Alright? So again, my plea to everybody is just live in love and harmony and settle differences. Just try and resolve things a better way. And the best thing to do whenever you see something like this happen to you is to try and walk away. Alright? That's the best advice we can give. You see me? Walk away from trouble. Anyways, you don't know a thing go already. Let me know what you think, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. As I said, right? My name is Skilla, and that is the dancer Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself, you people. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance,